Top 10 instructing facts about historical facts and technological facts. 1. The Rosetta Stone was key to deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs. 2. Napoleon Bonaparte was not actually short, he was around 5 feet 7 inches, which was average for his time. 3. The oldest known weapon dates back over 400,000 years. 4. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. 5. The ancient Greeks invented the concept of democracy. 6. The first web browser, World Wide Web, was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. 7. Artificial intelligence can outperform humans in some tasks, such as data analysis. 8. The first 1 GB hard drive, introduced in 1980, weighed over 500 pounds. 9. More than half of the world's population is now online. 10. The term, robotics, was first defined by science fiction writer Isaac Asimov in 1941. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.